Coleus plants. Have you ever seen a plant that looks like it belongs in a desert but thrives beautifully inside your home? Meet the Sus plant, a fascinating group of plants known for their unique shapes, incredible resilience, and low-maintenance nature. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, Sus plants can be a wonderful addition to your indoor or outdoor collection. One of the biggest reasons people love Sus plants is that they require very little care. Unlike many houseplants, they don't need frequent watering. Their thick stems are specially designed to store water, allowing them to survive long periods without rain. This makes them perfect for busy people or anyone who sometimes forgets to water their plants. The secret to growing a healthy Sus plant starts with the right soil. These plants hate sitting in wet soil, so always use a fast-draining cactus or succulent potting mix. You can also improve drainage by mixing regular potting soil with coarse sand or perlite. Healthy roots are the foundation of a healthy plant. Light is another important factor. Most Sus plants thrive in bright light and enjoy several hours of direct sunlight each day. If you're growing them indoors, place them near a sunny window where they can receive plenty of natural light. Without enough sunlight, the plant may become weak, stretched, and lose its attractive shape. When it comes to watering, remember that less is often more. Allow the soil to dry out completely before watering again. During the growing season, water deeply but infrequently. In winter, reduce watering even further because the plant naturally grows more slowly during colder months. Feeding is simple. Apply a balanced cactus fertilizer or a diluted liquid fertilizer once a month during spring and summer. Avoid overfeeding, as too much fertilizer can lead to weak, unhealthy growth. Choosing the right pot is equally important. Always use a container with drainage holes to prevent excess water from collecting around the roots. Terracotta pots are an excellent choice because they allow moisture to evaporate more quickly, helping keep the roots healthy. Although Sus plants are generally resistant to pests, it's still a good idea to inspect them regularly. Watch for mealybugs, spider mites, or scale insects. If you notice any pests, treat them promptly with neem oil or insecticidal soap before the problem spreads. Repot your Sus plant only when necessary, usually every 2 to 3 years or when the roots outgrow the container. Handle the plant carefully, especially if it has sharp spines, and always wear protective gloves when repotting. Many Sus plants can also be propagated from stem cuttings. Allow the cut end to dry and form a callus for several days before planting it in dry, well-draining soil. This simple technique allows you to grow new plants and expand your collection with very little effort. One of the greatest advantages of Sus plants is their incredible durability. They can tolerate heat, drought, and periods of neglect much better than many other houseplants. With proper sunlight, occasional watering, and well-draining soil, they can thrive for many years. If you're looking for a beautiful, low-maintenance plant that adds character to your home or garden, the Sus plant is an excellent choice. Give it the right care, and it will reward you with healthy growth and striking beauty season after season. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips, plant care guides, and easy growing ideas. Happy gardening!